Hello guys, today I will show you how to disconnect Zendrop from Shopify. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to admin.shopify.com and log in using user credentials. Now after logging in, you will see your Shopify's dashboard where you'll have to simply click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. So click on the settings icon and it will take you to this page. Now, here you can easily scroll down and navigate to Apps and Sales Channels button. So search for Apps and Sales Channels and click on this three-dotted icon just after Zendrop if you have installed it. So if you have a Zendrop and Shopify store connected, you will see Zendrop appearing here. Click on the three-dotted icon after Zendrop and click on Uninstall button. Now, for any of the reason if you're not able to access that settings, you can simply click on the apps icon just right here. Click on apps and sales channel settings from there. Then click on three-dotted icon after Zendrop, click on uninstall and choose uninstall again. Now, this will instantly disconnect your Zendrop from Shopify. You can refresh it and I will refresh my Zendrop page too. And as you can see, there's no store connected to my Zendrop. So that is a simple way to disconnect Zendrop from Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.